Hi, it's VIP Kid Teacher John here. I want to talk to you about installing the Microsoft Edge / Google Chrome extension for Feedback Panda. So let's just type this into Microsoft Edge search engine here, Feedback Panda browser extension. You see it comes up. It's commonly searched for, I'm sure, for Feedback Panda users. And feedbackpanda.com has a dedicated website to help you. There's the Google Chrome. We'll get there in a second. And if you scroll down, you'll see Install for Microsoft Edge. Click that link, and it's going to take you to the store where you can install this. And you would click Get. And you can see right now, I've already installed the Feedback Panda. What it would do, it would start downloading. It's a small file. And now once you get that downloaded, we can click Launch. Launch that, and over here on the right I can check out my extensions. You see I clicked on these buttons in Microsoft Edge. I go to extensions. Feedback Panda is on. So now if I click on that, and now I click I click to turn it on. I do want to show a button at the top. You see my little panda here. So now I'm ready to go. So now what's going to happen while I am in VIP Kid, a little panda icon will show up so that I can go to Feedback Panda. Now that's how you do it in Microsoft Edge. I'll show you in Chrome as well, because in Chrome I'm a lot more familiar with that, but then we'll also show you how to use it in VIP Kid. So Feedback Panda browser extension is going to come up. I'm going to the same website. I'm just in Chrome now. You can see my panda is already up here waving at you. I've already installed it. We'll go through the motions, however. Scroll down, install for Google Chrome. Okay, and you can see I've already installed it here. Sure, we can remove it. I'll show you what that looks like. So now it's removed. I click Add to Chrome, Add Extension. It's checking, making sure it's safe. Oh wow, it's already been added. So now my panda is up here at the top. Now this becomes particularly handy when I'm inside my VIP Kid portal. So if I go to my teaching portal, you can see, hey, Teacher John, and now when I go to my classrooms, now you can see a panda by each of my students. When I click the panda, it will take me to Feedback Panda, ready to work on the feedback for that particular student, thanks to this installed browser. So great feature, takes you right to Feedback Panda, helps you integrate well between VIP Kid platform and Feedback Panda. So check it out, install the browser. Feedback Panda is so worth it, and if you use the link I have attached, you actually can get a discount for a whole year on Feedback Panda. I wish I'd had that when I signed up for Feedback Panda. Anyway, thanks for watching and happy teaching.